This is a DJI Mini 4 Pro struggling to stay stable indoors. But how does that happen? We're using the 6x6 WindShaper to simulate high turbulence. This chaotic flow is generated by the massive fan arrays, and we put a drone in front of it. Even though DJI drones are known for their stability in harsh wind conditions, but how harsh can it actually be? In the first part of the series, we tested the drone in 3 types of turbulence generated by the WindShaper. If you haven't watched it yet, the link is in the description and you can watch it right after this video. So the setup is overall still similar to the first one. I asked Michele to write the scripts for the WindShaper, and Lauren will be flying the drone. We'll be adding a 360 degrees rotation on the drone while it's experiencing different turbulent intensities.
So we'll have multiple fan modules on and off at the same time in a checkerboard configuration, and we'll be able to create shear layers between those 2 moving speeds.
I want to see 2 things today. 1, just what is that max tolerance where the drone can no longer fly? But 2, at what point does it start to become unstable and unable to complete its mission? So I'm hoping to see both those things today.
That sounds great. Let's get started.
Yeah, it looks very stable for now, relatively speaking. I'll maneuver it a little bit to see how it responds. We'll do a full turn like it's doing a pan shot,
right.
See how it handles that.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Notice how it's bending itself back.
Yeah, it's handling it very well still at this speed. Like I wouldn't be worried about this footage in a real life scenario.
Right, yeah. Okay, that's pretty easy. I think we can definitely take it up a notch.
All right, let's do it.
Okay, so now we're going a little bit faster. We have 60% on the fast parts. Honestly, you can already see that it's struggling so much more trying to keep itself in that same spot.
Yeah, it's struggling.
Yeah.
It's struggling. This is definitely a steeper angle than last time, and I don't know by the footage if this would really be usable or useful in a real world scenario. All right, let's see how it does in the landing. Mm-hmm. It's fighting it just a little bit.
Yeah.
All right, that's still pretty good. That's still pretty stable.
Yeah, even at this speed, which is around 8 to 10 meters per second, it still holds up really, really well. So let's just take it up a notch and see how it's going to perform at the final stage, which is around 16 meters per second.
Okay, the fans are on now at 100%.
All right, little push, it's trying.
Okay, you can see a lot more waviness this time.
Yeah, ooh.
Oh! Oh!
No.
No, he's not staying
like
there.
That.
Nice, there we go. Oh, every time it gets close, it just gets pushed right back. Whoa, that was pretty fast.
And I almost crashed in the WindShaper a little bit there. All right, let me try maneuvering it a little bit.
Okay.
Whoa.
Wow.
Well, now it's all over the place.
Yeah, it is struggling to try and stay there.
All right, here, let's land it.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Pretty good landing still.
I think it's relieved. Okay, so I'd say we found the turbulence limit.
Yeah.
It didn't fall out of the sky, but I don't think that the drone would be of any use in those conditions when it's bumping around.
Honestly, it was flying all over the place. I can't imagine that you yourself as the pilot were able to control it very well. And I mean, just flying in such an environment would be a very big safety hazard.
Yeah, no, honestly, as the operator, I hate to say it, I was not in control of that thing for most of that flight. I was trying to keep it in one position, but it was coming towards us for a minute, then it was sort of towards the camera, the WindShaper. So yeah, you're definitely putting yourself and your crew in danger in these types of conditions, unfortunately.
Yeah.
Now that's been it for this part of the testing series where we tested the drone in different turbulent intensities and wind speeds. But we have one more part remaining where we'll be testing the drone in wind shear. So stay tuned for that. But until then, thank you for watching this video and we'll see you in the next one.